guys, we reached home after that prayer. Think we went there, so I didn't block much of that. And now it is raining. We are at home right now, so I'm not just wasting this time, and I'm just going to show you this products which I have got from Meesho and Myntra. Few are remaining to come to be delivered to me, so I was waiting for that. Well, let's get started. So the first one is from Myntra, you can see. Oh, this is the face serum I got from my mother, and I got a free gift with this. I got a face mask. Okay, and I got this for 446. Oh, by the way, we went there together for worshiping. He was there, so I told him just get into this video. Yeah. And this is a t-shirt, and this is also from Myntra. I got it for I got it for 350. That is for a t-shirt. That is very good. So I got this, and its MRP is 700. I ordered in a small size, but let's see if this color. So it looks like this from the front and this from the back. I think it will go, but little bit, because I usually wear oversized t-shirt. So that's it. 350 for this is a good buy, so I got it. And we'll go together, and this is from Meesho, and it is a tripod. I was planning to get this, but didn't have. But now I got this. And it's a tripod. It looks like this, so we can make this thing. And we have this thing like this one, where you can put the camera and you can record. So I got this for 298, around 300 for this, and that's also a good buy. So as you guys know, I'm into thrifting, so that's it. And this is from Meesho again, and this is for 262, and it is a handbag from my mother, and it looks like this. Everything I got is like an offer thing. I didn't went for extra shopping, so you get a bag like this. Got a lot of sign, and you have the chain right here. This for 262. Moving on, this is from Myntra. I need to get this. And this is the serum which I've been using, and I even recommend that you guys to give this a try. So I got it again. Its MRP is 500, that is 499, but I got it for where is the price? For 374. This is also an offer. So moving on, let's go with this big one, and this is straightener. This is from Myntra.
Siempre man try can on torque.
This is a straightener. my mom got bangs. I got bangs for her, so she needed to straighten her here, and we have a straightener. It's not working right now, so I got a new one. And its MRP is 1,495, and I got it for around 600, something like that. Yeah, 448, like 450. I got this straightener. Let me open this for you guys. And my heels, this is my Nirsac clothes, okay? I didn't make this. They're curly like this, naturally. Yeah, so it came like this. We got this cable here, and this is the straightener. It is lightweight. Goodbye, indeed. I got everything in budget. It's not like I'm bragging off, like I'm showing off. I'm just doing things on saving, like thrifting. And let me clear this for you guys. Thrifting means when you solve for the minimum, you save money. That is called thrifting. It's not about that second-hand, that thing. It's not that thing. Thrifting means you save money for future thing. That is like thrift. And this is from Meesho. And this price is 486. I think this is the footwear which I got from my mother. Let's see how it looks. So we got like this. This is like heels. I don't know what to say. This like block heels or something like that. It's not that pencil thing. Like you have this thing going on right here. You can see. It looks decent though. I got this from my mother, and the last bag. And this is from Myntra again. Meanwhile, the rain has stopped, so we can go back to hang out again. I was trying to make up the time, so we were not lying and chilling time, so I could make this video for you guys. And this is a sneaker, and it looks like this, you guys. And this is in 6 size. I got this, and this is from what is the brand name? Workers, yeah, it were like this, yeah, Workers. I don't know how to pronounce this, but this is that brand. And I got this for 857. You guys, this is 857, not even 1,000. So I'm very happy with this. Like its color is so good. So that was it for today's haul. I hope you guys did enjoy. It is a little bit messy because I don't know, I do things like this. So I will add that clip when the things get delivered to me. So for now, let's end the vlog here. Hi guys, so it's the continuation of the previous vlog. Some product got delivered, so I'm doing this haul again. This one is from Meesho, and it is a plain white shirt for my father. It looks like this. So I got this for rupees 387. I got this. And the other one is this, and this is the back cover of my phone. I got a new one. So it came like this with this packaging. something like this, transparent. We have this golden thing on the bottom of this. Pretty decent, right? Let's drop though. And I got this for base 377. So normally what we get in market price is around 400 to 500. So I recommend you guys to check it on net. You get things cheaper there. What is cheaper? And this is from Myntra, and it is, I forgot what is this. Yeah, it is a Bluetooth speaker which I needed for so long but not have. Got it for myself, and it cost me rupees. What's the price? And it cost me around 1,500, and it is MRP is 3,000, so I got a discount on this, and it is from Noise company. So that's it for today. I need one suit to be delivered to me. That will be from Myntra. So it is the last thing I will show you in this haul for today. Bye guys. And I'm looking so messy because of this hairstyle, and this is normally me. Good morning you guys. It is 4:39. It is before the sunrise. So I woke up early, I've done my things, and I'm on my way for a morning walk. That is the way to home. So we have a long way here, so it is enough for me to go it up and down for a walk. I don't need to go to any extra place. I'm just managing on my own house way. That is that way. So yeah, and no one is awake right now. I feel so energetic, you know. Waking early makes you fresh. So yeah, I'm getting a perfect life of this street light. Yeah. That day I didn't have even plans for going, but I eventually ended up looking Mukna kangjei. That was held at Kangjei Park. It was my first time.
Haurampat tagi Todi Devi Gimingda Lupa lising amaga Lunena Namti Katigani Haina Sunda Tandirai Ba Sandari Lapana Anising Nunda Panjan Chanba Aduda Akai Namti Galunena Like Hidraba Ahan Gimingda Lupa lising amaga Bibi gani haina sumana thambirai madu ganta khule tan thagatsari ini masala salari ba sada Ajit na lay kidraba pagpana aming pagpaprana ahamba panjamba sanaroy alimagta upalising ang mamampi gani hana sunod pambiray makakawara haribale.
Meanwhile, while I was watching that, my mom called me and told me to get ngamu for some ritual we need to do that is on Cheralbon. That will be in my later vlog. I went to Bazaar and got that, and this was in the Hammam Road. It was so beautiful, so I captured it.
Para pambirat ni Labuhinga ni Mamang Salay Kandalog ini na lupa lising na masu Google Pay na kapirapli madulingan to sa pilita na ni Mamang Salay Kandalog ko agad sari pakhanda house kay
There was a huge crowd because it was the first time happening in Morang, and this is Tungamu, which I was talking about and for which I went to Bazaar. So we believe and we do rituals with this, as we believe it is a fast form of humans. So that's it. It was indeed a great show, and it was played with a purpose. We need to preserve this for our later generations. And cheers to you guys. So please like and share and subscribe the video if you enjoy, and see you in my next vlog. Bye then.